All right, listen up. If you're searching for stocks to consider right now, I've got 3 tickers that deserve a spot on your watch list. I'm talking about Centene, Pacific Gas and Electric, and Copart, CNC, PCG, and CPRT. Let's break down why these are catching my attention in mid-2025. First, Centene, ticker CNC. This is a health insurance giant with a strong track record of serving government-sponsored programs. With healthcare demand only climbing, Centene's steady revenue and defensive nature make it a solid play if you want resilience in your portfolio. Next up, PCG, Pacific Gas and Electric. Utilities might sound boring, but hear me out. PCG is powering through California's energy needs, and with the state investing heavily in infrastructure and renewables, there's a long growth runway ahead. Utilities also tend to hold up even if the market gets rocky, so PCG could add some stability to your mix. And finally, Copart, ticker CPRT. If you love a winner, Copart's global online vehicle auctions are booming. They've got the tech edge, expanding internationally, and tapping into the growing market for salvage vehicles. That means more opportunities no matter where the economy is headed. Now remember, these aren't magic picks. Do your own homework and understand your risk. But if you want stocks with strong fundamentals and solid growth stories, CNC, PCG, and CPRT are worth a closer look. Happy investing, and let's keep building wealth together.